Hi guys, and welcome back to my third day of my 31 days of unboxings. So if you missed day one and day two, you missed this beautiful vintage Chanel straw tote for day one, and this beautiful XXL pre-loved Lady Dior in beige cream color. Today for the third day, again we will have some Chanel and some vintage Chanel, which is my favorite brand when it comes to vintage. If you don't know me, you might not know that my favorite vintage Chanel bag style is the Maxi one. I did a few videos a month ago about my vintage Maxis. It was not a review, but you can go check it out. At least the intro, you can see a few bags. And what I like about this style is the huge CC. Why? Because it's on your face. Maybe, I don't know. I just really love this huge CC style because it's, it's gold plated, 24 karat gold plated, and it's really shiny, it's really Chanel, and it has this 80s, 90s vibe, like supermodel, Karl Lagerfeld, this really bling bling vintage style that I really love, and I think that's why I really like, the Maxis. I know this is not a bag for everybody because it can be really like large, the CC is large. It's not a really light bag. I'm not going to say it's a heavy bag, but it's not light. So voila. And so let's come back, to today's unboxing. This one is from Vestiaire Collective, which I do like. It's a website that I like buying. Of course, it's not new. You can find some fakes there, so you really need to pay attention. I've been collecting vintage Chanel for 10 years now, and I could say that I am able to authenticate a bag. I mean, vintage bags, because for the newer styles, it's really hard to say if it's fake or if it's real, because the quality is so like almost the same that it's really tricky. But coming back to Vestiaire Collective, it's a website where I like to shop. I had some issues with them, but more about, like you buy a bag and then the seller decide that you can sell and list for a higher price or stuff like that. But I never had any issues about like buying something that's ended up being fake, because again, I do buy vintage stuff, so easier, to know if it's fake or not, but not really. So this one, that's why I was talking about the Maxis. It's not a Maxi, but it has the Maxi detail that I love. I love to scream when I I reveal a bag. Look at this CC. Oh, you look so pretty. Again, look at the CC. This shininess that I love. Look at the chains. This is amazing. And this is not a maxi. This is smaller than a jumbo. And which when I got it, I was like, again. Okay, I do never really check the descriptions and the pictures and all the infos when I get excited about a bag. And this bag I didn't buy like this. I bought it after a few weeks, so I could have checked, you know, the size, but I didn't. Okay, I will take it after. I want to measure it. But yeah, you have the huge CC that I love, but the bag is not a maxi and it's not a jumbo. Let me just take my to measure it. I am back. Okay, I wanted, you know, to measure the bag. So let me see the width. I never know how to pronounce it. It's it's 30. Can you guys see that? It's 30 centimeters, which is a jumbo size, but the height, it's like 18, and it's not like the jumbo. I don't have a jumbo here to measure, but it's not. It's a little bit smaller, and which is not a big deal. But when I got it, I was a little bit upset because I was expecting something bigger, and I really love the Maxi vibe 34 and yeah, taller, etc. Well, I still have the Vestiaire Collectif tag on it. What I like about this bag is the color, you know, this beautiful burgundy, a little bit like the Hermes burgundy color. And I really love the horizontal stitching because I have the Maxi with the diamond stitching, the chevron aussi. No spoiler, but I have another one that you will know later. And this one. So I really like it. And let's check inside. So this is great because it's a single flap, which is cool. And oh, I put a little insert inside to hold, you know, a little bit the shape, because as it is, you know, jersey, I think it's a little bit more I really wanted to have the structured look. Alors, this is made in France handbag, and the sticker, I am unable to read it. Hold on, my hair. Okay. I cannot read the whole number, but it starts with 358, so middle 90s. And yeah, I think it looks really clean inside. You have this beautiful burgundy lining. Do I have the no, I don't have the original card, which is okay. It's, you know, it happens. I just love this. Yeah, that's the only reason. And I think this is a beautiful, I will say, winter handbag, but of course you can wear it during summer. But yeah, it's a beautiful fall winter handbag, and I love it. I have to be honest, I bought this one before my red Maxi in lambskin, because the red lambskin, the seller put it on Vinted as sold, And I was like, oh my God, I missed my opportunity to have the red Maxi. So I saw this one and I was like, okay, you cannot have the red, so let's at least grab the burgundy. So I bought it, I received it. I was a little bit upset because of the size. And then the red Maxi was available again, and I was like, Jesus. And yeah, I ended up buying the red Maxi for Christmas, and I have both now. And I don't know if I should sell this one. I've never worn it. As you can see, the tag is still there. And I don't know if I should sell it. I think it's a gorgeous bag. It's beautiful. Like, I don't see myself selling this one. Maybe it's gonna happen. I don't know, guys. If you could help me, should I sell? Should I keep? I don't know. Of course, the burgundy and the red Maxi, it's not the same vibe. It's not the same thing. And this one is more light, so maybe I should keep it. I don't know. I don't know what to do. If you could help me, I would appreciate. So guys, that's it for my third day of my 31 days of unboxings. Let me know what you think about this one, if I should sell, if I should keep, if you like it, if you don't, if it's too much, if it's not enough, we could have more CCs on it. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I see you tomorrow. Rendez-vous demain ici for my fourth video. I think we will have tomorrow, we should have an Italian brand. Maybe Salvatore Ferragamo or Versace or Gucci. I don't know. If you want to know, rendez-vous ici. And yeah, je vous fais des gros bisous and I see you in my next video. Bye. And thanks for watching. Bisous, bisous. Thank you.